My name is Alan Button. I am the lead mechanic here at the Vehicle Maintenance Department for the Kern County Superintendent of Schools. I work directly with the service advisor, the fleet manager, and the shop foreman. First thing in the morning, I come in, I pour myself a cup of coffee. I head into the office and I look at where the night shift lead mechanic left off. I'll look at what work orders may be left, close out those work orders, and then together the shop foreman, myself, and the service advisor kind of come up with a game plan for the day. And then we basically support each other that way. We're kind of leaning on one another to move smoothly. Around noon is lunchtime, come back from lunchtime, and then it's time to close out work orders. Total up labor hours, what's being billed to the customers. Fortunately, at 3 o'clock, another lead mechanic comes on, and we work so well together that if I didn't get to something, it's just a cohesive switch, and then he comes in, picks it up where I left off. We all work very well together, getting everything accomplished. Really feels like family here. We did tires on it when it was just here, right?
Right. So it's only due by 10 point by mileage in the next 500 miles.
We have over 100 school buses that we service on a regular. That's not counting all of the white fleet for all of the county offices. We service all of those as well, and it's a regular schedule all the time. Our facility is open from 4:30 in the morning until 11:30 at night, and that's broken up into mainly 3 primary shifts. The morning shift would be 4:30 to say 1 o'clock. Day shift might be somewhere around 8 to 5, and then night shift would be 3 to 11:30 at night. If you're looking to be a mechanic, this is the place to be a mechanic. This company is very rewarding. I've been afforded opportunities that never in a million years I thought would ever happen for me. There's so much support, respect, there's a lot of meaning to what we're doing. This isn't just, throwing an oil filter on a car and getting it out of the way. We're transporting very precious cargo in Kern County, and your work, it's keeping people safe.